with a review of Tattooed Chef cauliflower rice. I'm going to be showing you today how to prepare this Tattooed Chef cauliflower rice, and I'll also share with you how it tastes in the end. Now, this package has multiple packs of this cauliflower rice in. I would say about 5 packs came into this package. You'll need 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And by the way, on the package, it actually tells you exactly what you need and what you need to do. So here I added my 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm going to add in my pan 2 package of this cauliflower rice today. Now, Tattooed Chef is a brand that is up and coming, and I have to say this is their first thing from their product line that I have tried, or I am trying today. So definitely check them out, because there are lots of talk about them and what they're doing in their food and vegan line. Now, you want to stir once you add your cauliflower to your pan, you want to move it around so it doesn't start to stick. Here you'll see that I added my 2 bags. It looks a lot, but trust me, it's not, because once it reduces, it becomes a lesser amount. So just stir it around and break it up. Before you pour it in your pan or even open the bag, you might want to break it apart in the bag, because it reduces that spillage that may happen when you're trying to break it apart in the pan. Now, do not cover, because it does gather its own liquid, and you might find that you may need to actually drain some of that liquid off, because it does gather a bit of liquid in the pan while it's cooking. Now here's the finished product. I'm going to plate it up, and I'm not going to have it with any protein today, but you are welcome to do so. It does taste delicious. You can definitely taste that gingery flavor in it. Let me know how it turns out for you.